Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Kraken glove in slap battles. First, you'll need to equip the squid glove, which you can get after accumulating 2,750 slaps. You'll also need a friend who has the fish glove. This special glove is earned by sleeping for 1 full hour in the game. Remember, this entire process must take place in a public server, not a private one, for it to count. Once you have your squid glove equipped and your friend has their fish glove, head to the normal arena. Your friend needs to slap you off a cliff and into the void. This action, while you are wearing the squid glove, has a chance to teleport you directly to the Kraken zone. This is where the epic boss battle will begin, so be ready for a challenge. During the Kraken battle, staying alive is key. Watch for red cracks on the ship's deck. These show where the Kraken's massive tentacles will strike, so move quickly to avoid them. After a few strikes, the tentacles will get stuck on the ship, leaving them vulnerable. This is your chance to slap them. For maximum impact, try to hit 2 tentacles at once to deal extra damage. Be aware that as you deal damage, the Kraken will become more aggressive, speeding up its attacks. If you are defeated, there's a 5-minute cooldown before you can attempt the boss fight again. Keep practicing your dodging and slapping. Once you successfully defeat the Kraken, you will be rewarded with the powerful Kraken glove and the exclusive Escape from Abyss badge. Good luck, slappers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.